Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to use Localwp. Localwp full tutorial to install a WordPress site locally. Localwp.com is the fastest, most straightforward way to create a local host platform for development. This tutorial covers the full process, from launching the application to having a fully functional WordPress dashboard ready for design. Part 1. How to install Local by Flywheel on Mac. Installing the Local by Flywheel application on your macOS computer is straightforward. Step 1. Download the installer. Open your web browser, Safari, Chrome, etc., and navigate to the official Local by Flywheel website, localwp.com. Look for the download button. You will be prompted to select your platform. Select Mac. You may need to provide your name and email address to start the download. Click the button to download the .dmg installer file. Part 2. Starting the local application after you have downloaded and installed Local by Flywheel on Yo. Launch Local. Open the Local by Flywheel application from your Applications folder on Mac or Start menu on Windows. Initial setup. The first time you open it, Local will perform some necessary setup, including installing required host files and dependencies. You may need to enter your computer's administrator password to allow these changes. How to create a new WordPress site in Local. Once the Local application is running, creating a new WordPress site takes only a few minutes. Step 1. Start the new site process in the Local application window. Click the big plus icon, or Create a New Site button, located in the bottom left corner. Select the option Create a New Site and click Continue. Step 2. Set site name and path name your site. Give your site a clear, descriptive name. For example, let's say PMN Online Test Site. This name will determine your local URL, e.g. pmnonlinetestsite.local. Click Continue. Choose environment, optional. Local will recommend a preferred environment, PHP version, web server, and MySQL version. We recommend sticking with the preferred options unless you have a specific requirement. Step 3. Set WordPress credentials. Set up WordPress. Enter the username and password you want to use for the WordPress administrator account. These are the credentials you will use to log into your local WordPress dashboard, YP admin. You can also choose to enter an admin email here. Click Add Site. Local will now download the latest version of WordPress. Set up the server environment using Docker technology in the background, and create the database. This process might take a minute or two. Step 4. Access your new site. Once the process is complete, you will see your new site listed in the local sidebar. To view the front end of your site, click the Open Site button. To log in and start customizing, click the WP Admin button. Enter the username and password you set in Step 3. You have successfully installed Local and created a fully functional local WordPress site on your Mac. Step 5. Installing the Elementor plugin. We will install the Elementor Page Builder plugin directly from the official WordPress plugin repository onto your local installation. Navigate to Plugins. In the WordPress dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then select Add New. Search for Elementor. In the search bar on the top right, type Elementor. The Elementor Website Builder plugin should be the first result. Install the plugin. Click the Install Now button next to the Elementor listing. Wait a few moments for the installation process to complete. Activate Elementor. Once installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to make the Elementor Page Builder available for use on your Local by Flywheel site. Step 6. Verifying the installation. After activation, Elementor is ready to use on your local site. You will see a new Elementor item added to your main WordPress sidebar menu on the left. To verify the installation, you can go to Pages and click Add New. At the top of the new page editor, you should see the blue Edit with Elementor button. Clicking this button will open the Elementor editor, confirming that the installation on your local WordPress environment was successful. That's the entire process. You have successfully installed Elementor locally and are now ready to start designing and testing pages before pushing them live. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily install the Elementor plugin on your Local by Flywheel setup. If it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.